Hello everyone, I'm Pratik from the battery unit team. In high current applications such as formation of cells, the cell comes to life, but if there is a chemical defect, it can lead to a thermal event. In such processes, measuring the temperature is not just an additional data point, but a safety protocol. Therefore, we are introducing all new TKS series. These high-performing temperature measurement probes are exactly the solution you need. With UL-certified cables, we are extending the safety against fire in a thermal event, not just on the probe level, but on the cable level. And with longer stroke, the probe supports process variation of a battery cell. In addition, with high flex life of the cable, the probe are ready to withstand harsh environments. We understand each equipment, process, and customer requirement is unique. Therefore, we are introducing 18 new products across the TKS series. These highly specialized temperature measurement probe offer a wide variety of analog temperature sensors like NTC, PT100, PT1000, and K-type thermocouple. But how do they differentiate from each other? The difference is in the installation height, installation method, and compatibility with the existing INGUN high current BCP probes. Yes, because of this compatibility, these TKS products can be integrated in a PCU such as SEER, or they can be directly installed in your existing probe plate with the high current BCP probes. TKS 740 and TKS 692 series are industry standard flange type installation design, whereas TKS 691 is a push-in type design. To push in and install the TKS 691, we are also offering an installation tool. So, if you want to measure the temperature in a lab with an Arduino, or if you have a gigafactory where you need real-time temperature measurement, we have a solution ready for you. Please get in touch with Battery Unit.